Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to implement a scroll snap effect on your website like this. So I, scroll down just a little bit, snaps back up to the top. When I scroll over halfway through the element, it's going to bring me down to the next element. Scroll snap, it's in the name. Okay, so over here on the right, I have a parent element, and I have two children elements, each of them containing an H1. Basically, to get this effect, to achieve this effect, you really only need 5 things down here. You need the scroll snap type. In this case, we want it vertical, so it's Y mandatory. You need overflow Y scroll, because if you don't have that, here, better than telling you, I'll show you. This is going to happen. So you need to control that overflow of the element. The parent needs a height, and the child needs to have the scroll snap align. And for this particular example, I have it at the start, which means if I go to here, it's going to snap back to the start. If I go to the next one, it's going to snap to the second element start, and so on and so forth. So if I add this, it just snapped down. Beautiful. And lastly, the child element needs a height as well. Everything else on here is just for aesthetic. So if you pop this onto your site, you'll be able to have the scroll snap effect. Thanks, guys.